पंकजं श्रीकेशकन्दमूर्धजं अनन्तकोटिमोहनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नागमौक्तिकं सचन्दनं तपौक्तिकं तमम्बुजाङ्गचित्रणं नमामि नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नरेन्द्ररञ्जितं रसिकैन्द्रगम्भिकं सुकुलगीतशोभनं नमामि नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि सुन्दरं नगानिधिसुधाकरम् अमूल्यरत्नभूषणं नमामि नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि
Vipassana कृष्णाय भक्ताय yesterday in morning what I was saying, remember? What I was telling in morning? You have heard this sloka, Satang Prasangam, Bhamaditya Samati, Bhavan Telit Karana Rasayana Sathat, Taddosanat As Apavarvati Vatni, Sabdharati Bhakti Anukramisya. This is sloka. Quoted from very important. Satam Prasangam Mudit. When two devotees, not less than Madhyama Vibhava, मध्यम उत्तम और उत्तम कनिष्ठ और मध्यम meeting together, then they each other talking very powerful pastimes of. If anyone hearing all these pastimes, then Krishna will enter in the heart through ears in devotee's heart, through ears. And these pastimes, that is Krishna himself, in the shape of pastimes of Krishna, will clear all the doubts, all the unearths, all kinds of offenses, and Hriday Daurbalya,
Asat Krishna.
Asat Krishna. So, and Tattva Gyan of Krishna, Bhakti, Jeev, Maya, everything will come. And Krishna, being in the heart, he will rest there. Because then devotee's heart will be purified. There will be no any thing to be required that Krishna give me this. No, what will be that will be there. And then Krishna happily will sleep there. So Krishna, these pastimes are so strong, so powerful. If one has no taste in hearing these katha, then he is like zero. If he is chanting names, he is worshipping and doing all activities, then in Srimad Bhagavatam it has been told विश्वकसेन कथा सुनत धर्मस्वनिष्ठित पुंस विश्वकसेन कथा सुजत नोत्पादय यदिगतिम. Then after some time you give up chanting Hari if you are not hearing Harikatha from one of white Vaishnava. Then Krishna will not go in your heart. No purification in that. If you are doing archan but no taste in Harikatha, then you will stop archan and all activities. If you are not hearing Harikatha, you will have so many doubts about your Guru. That my Gurudev is not so powerful. I am serving him from 20 years. I am doing archan and so many things. But perhaps he is not a Rasik Vaishnava. He has no gopi mood. And thus I should reject and go to Radha. So many anarthas come, and again we will be punarmushiko bhava. Again will be the same rat. You know the story of a rat? You know what? Look loudly.
One rat was being chased by a cat.
You are hearing? Very loudly.
One rat was being chased. One rat was being chased by a cat, and he took shelter in the ashram of one rishi and begged for protection. So the sage was very merciful to him and gave him the form of a cat. He changed his form by his mystic power. In this way he was...
Cat was pursuing and wanted to eat that rat. So to save him,
the sage, he transformed the rat into a cat. Then afterwards, the cat was always being chased by a dog.
Then he became worried and went to sage.
So he went back to the ashram of the sage to ask for help.
Save me from dogs.
Yes, please save me from the dog. So then the sage, by his mystic power, he transformed him into a dog. So then, when he was a dog, then he had another problem because he was being chased by a tiger. So being chased by the tiger, he was so afraid, he came back to the sage and said, please save me, I'm always being chased by one tiger. So then the sage, by his mystic power, transformed him into a tiger. So then, when who was originally a rat, became a tiger, he began to look at the sage and think, oh, he wanted to eat him. His mouth began to water and he thought, oh, I'd like to eat him now. So he was just about to attack the sage, and then the sage says, Purna Musik Bhava, again become a rat. And immediately, this big tiger shrunk down and became a tiny rat again. So everything was lost.
So from where you had begun? From Grihastha ashram, having so much lust, doing so much offences, full of unearth, again you will be right, if you are not hearing that. What the pastimes? If Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami used to meet each other, they used to talk, hear each other, very powerful, this Harikatha. in these pastimes, very beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna, plus Tattva Gyan, Jiv Tattva Gyan, Krishna Tattva Gyan, Maya Tattva Gyan, and all the process of doing bhajan, and how Krishna can be controlled, how he can have the services of conjugal, everything will come. And your chanting will be more strong. Your service to the Gurudev will be more strong. Your all activities for devotion will be more strong if you are hearing. But if you will stop your hearing, then what will be? Punar Musiko Bhava. That is happening with the senior devotees. They know that we are supreme now. And they don't think that anyone in this world is equal to him. I should not hear anybody. So they are again being transferred into a rat and doing so many offences to all Vaishnavas. They lose their all Tattva Gyan and they cannot honor three kinds of Vaishnavas who is taking name sometime. Those who are taking always name, and those by whom seeing Krishna name comes and used to dance in time. He cannot respect. Because now is that Tattva Gyan has been lost. These are three Madhyamadikari Vaishnava. Those who is chanting one name, regularly doing always, and those, they don't criticize anyone. They don't see any a little fault of anyone. They are above criticism. And 24 hours observing trance and remembering Krishna pastime for 8 parts of day and night. So, even one chanting one name, what name? Ata Krishnan Adinam Bhavit Gratyam Indriya Shivan Mukhohi Jivadu Swayam Ev Spurti. That name is doing one time is also what kind of that name? Krishna name coming itself in his tongue. That not Pranishta, not Namabhas, not Chaya Namabhas, not Prapadimba Namabhas. Nothing. Your so he is automatic. And those who are always chanting, remembering what is name, more superior. Krishna is always chanting and remembering. Krishna is dancing on their tongue like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he was going to pass stole with Gopal Guru, a boy of 8, and he told that, "Oh Mahaprabhu, why you have take hold of your tongue very tightly?" Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was very tightly holding his tongue like this. Gurudev, why you are doing? Oh, now I am going to be apavitra, impure. So I am telling and warning this tongue that don't chant Krishna name, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. But she is not following my order. So I that time I don't want to chant. So because forcibly she is calling Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. When I sleep, my tongue always speaking Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. At all times. So now she should stop. So always like this. Then Gopal Guru told, Prabhu, I am now in a doubt that if anyone is dying and stool and urine is also passing, he should chant or not. If he is not chanting, then he will get to hell. Then he should chant or not chant. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no, yes, he should chant. So why you are doing so? Oh, I wanted to hear from you this thing. So now you have been perfect like Guru and you can preach. So those who are doing like this always. And more than this, not criticize anyone because they will see that everyone is serving Krishna. Uttam Adhikari. If anyone not hearing this Harikatha, he must criticize all. He will make bhakti like a sectarian thing. Oh, that only we are Vaishnava. We should not mix to any Shuddha Vaishnava. They will make a time that if you are going to make and to hear Harikatha from any that person, then they will kick out from our mission. We should only read the books which Swamiji has written. You cannot read Rup Goswami, Bhakti Swami Sindhu. You cannot read all the books. You should not read Jaiva Dharma of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. They will ban. And that's by doing so, they will lose faith on Harikatha and they will not hear and at lost believe. Again right. Same right. So, what type of this powerful Harikatha? One day Krishna, Baldev Prabhu, with thousand and thousand cowherd boys, was going to graze cows. One after another, very dense forest, but beautiful forest. She was going with lakhs and lakhs cows. He walked in such a forest. There was nothing to eat, no fruits, nothing. So all cowherd boys were very hungry. They were requesting Krishna and Baldev that today a very big demon has come in our stomach. Please save us, please save us. The Prabhu told that I am not seeing here any demon. Where is that? Oh, he has entered in our stomach. Now we are so hungry. There is nothing to take, anything. But some Subal and Madhubangal told that we are having some smell of very beautiful, sweet, but palm fruit. Perhaps very nearer there is a forest named Talban. Talban means the forest of palm trees. And their fruits are now ripened. It must be Bhadra month, July month, July, August. Indian summer season, rainy season, coming rainy season. So, they requested that we should go there and we will take fruits and taste. But that forest belongs to Kans. And he has deputed so many demons like Dhenukasura, a demon in the shape of donkey. And that donkey has so many she donkey, and so many baby donkeys. So many, thousands and lakhs. So they were fencing with themselves, whole, like fence, you know, no tree, no wire, nothing, no wall, only donkey were surrounding and giving para. All the fruits used to be sent to Kans Maharaj, and he used to taste himself of very sweet, tasteful. And remnants he used to give to Charnu, Musti, Hal, Kosal, Putana, Agasu, Bakasu, and rest to the donkeys. Sometimes they never tasted these donkeys, but always protecting and sending all things to the king of donkeys. You know who was the king? King of donkeys? Maharaj Kansa. Kans means the embodiment of sin, Kansa. Embodiment of all kinds of sins together is called Kans. So, Krishna and Balaram. So that let us go. And he told Baldev Prabhu that you should manage to give palm fruits to them. All were very happy, following Krishna and Baldev. They entered that forest. Baldev Prabhu happily, naturally, took a palm tree in his hand and hit it like so. Also big and full of thousands of fruits, very ripened and very tasteful and sweet scent was coming. So all covered boy looking upside, when a fruit will come and I will take. So Baldev Prabhu did so. After that, so many ripened fruits came down and sound like dhap, dhap, dhap coming. Donkey's heart, this
Sound.
who is doing so? And he saw that, one by one trees were shaking, how? And fruits are coming down. He at once began to shout in very sweet sound, like donkeys, you know. Here is not a Lalit Mohan, otherwise he can follow. So all donkeys were gathered, lakhs and lakhs of donkeys, they gathered, and saw that these two wicked persons with so many boys are coming and taking all the fruits. So at at once, all at a time, attacked Krishna and Baldev and all. All the cowherd had become very frightened. They came under the shade of Krishna and Baldev. Then Vasu, the head leader of all the donkeys, attacked Baldev Prabhu, ringleader of all the boys, with two behind legs, all like this. And he was sounding so much, making so much sound. Yeah. Then Baldev Prabhu at once took his left his hind legs and he fell in the sky. And in the meantime, his life and soul came out and was whirling in the sky and at last came in the lotus feet of Krishna. One by one, all the donkeys were caught by Krishna and Baldev and all were killed there. They began to pass urine and stools. Blood was also here and there. So it became very dirty at that time. All the boys saw that all donkeys are now dead. And some of them, they ran towards Kamsa to say this news. So they went to Kamsa and all were killed. Now that scenery was so much pathetic that all the boys who had taken fruits, they had given. And trees were all uprooted because Baldev Prabhu has that Dhankasir and all other sound trees and trees falling down on another to third to fourth, and thus that garden was almost somewhere there. After that, they went away from that, and that after that garden was cleared, and now they used to go free and to taste fruits. What is the meaning of donkeys? Donkeys, those they don't chant, remember, and they don't believe in Krishna. Only they believe, eat, drink and be merry. These are demons like donkeys. So in world, at that time there were so only counted numbers of demons. But now we can count the number of donkeys. Those who are not chanting, remembering and believing God, all are donkeys. Those have no tattva gyan, no taste to serve Vaishnavas, all are donkey. Donkey has some special quality. What? Always beaten by their what? See, always. But they never what?
Give up.
Give up. Even their mouths are bleeding by hind legs, kicking by their wives. They never stop to pursue. There is a special quality. Also that quality is that they can take all the bad things on their back, all the dirty clothes, all the dirty things, and they can take it, and they become dirty. Also they can take very sweet things like sugar, ghee, atta means flour, rice, everything, vegetable, to hills. Any other animal cannot go there. A car cannot go, truck cannot go in Indian mountains. At that time there was only way to keep all the articles on the back of ashes, and this used to take it from lower place to so much higher. But they will take only dry grasses, not all these things. They cannot taste. They can carry clothes, but they cannot wear. And if they are crying bitterly or doing nonsense, then his master will give him a mota lati, big stick, and on his back, always beaten. Also there is a quality there, a speciality is there. In rainy season, when grasses are abundant in field, then they will be very lean and thin. And when in summer season, when there are no grass, they become so fat. Why? In rainy season, by grazing, 1-2 hands, that the stomach is though full, but they will see that, oh, I have not grazed so much. And in summer season, they will see that, oh, miles and miles I have. They become fat. Those in this world, very dirty things they will come, they will take. What dirty things? Flesh, eggs, and fish. You know fish? She can take anything if you will tell it. Anything is to live in. So if anyone taking fish, he is taking all things. So we should be very careful for this. So those who are taking all this they are done. They are very fat in taking worldly things, not Hari Katha, no remnants of Krishna, nothing. They are donkeys. Those who are not hearing Hari Katha, they are donkeys. So these are all donkeys. So Krishna and Baldev. Baldev is Guru Tattva. Ignorance goes only by hearing and serving Gurudev. So Baldev Prabhu is whole self, Akhanda Guru Tattva. Or all Gurus are manifestation of this Baldev Prabhu or Nitya. So if you will take shelter in the lotus feet of Gurudev, that I will obey always. You should save me. I am attacked by lust, so many offenses, so many bad things. So I am taking your shelter. You as causeless, merciful. You should save me. Then Baldev Prabhu, like Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru, Shaman Guru, he will save us. Otherwise there is no another way. So you should take shelter in the lotus feet of. This is a story, pastimes of Krishna. But so many Tattva Gyan are here. Also beautiful ones. You should know and understand that the pastimes of Krishna are of two kinds. Nitya pastimes and Naimittik pastimes. Naimittik, what is Naimittik?
Occasional.
Second session.
Occasional.
That is
Second session. Okay.
like this Dhankasur, Leela is not a Nitya Leela. It is Namitta. Aghasur, Bakasur, Kansa, all Leelas are Namitti. But Jasoda is petting Krishna and Krishna is weeping. Krishna is playing with gopis, is playing with friends, all are Nitya Leela. This Leela has been divided into 4 kinds. Nitya Leela. Ashtakali Leela of Dasya. Ashtakali Leela of friends. Ashtakali Leela of mother, Vatsalya. And Ashtakali Leela of Shringar. In Madhuras also, Ashtakali Leela of Nitya and Pran Sakhi. Also, Tat Tat Bhav Ichhamai and Kamatmika. So many things, different sorts. So by hearing all these pastimes, you will have more faith on Guru, more faith on Harikatha, more faith in chanting. Your chanting will be pure. Your action will be pure, and thus you will be in Madhyam Adhikari, then Madhyam Madhyam, and then Madhyam Uttam, then Kanisht Uttam, then Madhyam Uttam, and then Uttam Uttam, then you will have Vastu Siddhi. Go Pramana. You can come to those who want, they should come. I cannot move. Now I'm I want that you today. That is all.
Oh my God. Okay.
L'équipe de Spartan est responsable de faire les courses et d'aller chercher le beau gars.
Ouais, mais c'est moi juste, j'ai vu ça, je dis aïe aïe aïe, il va pas être content. Ça va l'archi, il va voir ça dans l'archi, je te dis rien que ça, ça va te transcender l'histoire.
C'est pas mal comme ça en fait. J'ai l'impression d'être sous-marin.
Ouais, ça marche encore, c'est incroyable.